Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be making a delicious chicken foot sauce recipe. Remember, for all the ingredients and measurements, it will be listed down below in the description box. Now let's get started. Now for ingredients, here is what you will need. In my plate, I have some thyme, garlic, adobo, and some tomato flavored chicken bouillon. In this container, I have some scallions, red and white onion. Over here, I have some cucumber, celery leaf, and red and green hot pepper. And here is my chicken foot. I'm using about 3 pounds. And over here, I have some lemon juice, white vinegar, complete seasoning, and garlic salt. Now to my pressure pot, I have some water coming up to a boil. My stove is on medium high heat, and I'm going to add in these ingredients I have here in the plate. I'm then going to add in my chicken foot, and I'm going to give this a stir, and we are going to allow it to come up to a boil. Once they came up to a boil, I'm going to cover my pressure pot and allow it to pressure for about 7 to 8 minutes. Now, after about 7 to 8 minutes, I'm now removing the cover from my pressure pot, and this is how the chicken foot is looking. Now, to know if the foot is fully cooked and soft enough, I like to take one out and just break a piece off with a fork. Once it comes out easy, I know it's at the softness I like. Now I'm going to remove the remaining chicken foot from the water, and we will proceed to the next step. Now once the chicken foot is still hot, I like to add in my water. So to my bowl, I'm going to go in with about 4 cups of water, just enough to cover the chicken foot. Now after I add the water, I'm going to go in with my complete seasoning, and I'm going to go in with my garlic salt, followed by my vinegar. And when it comes to the vinegar, you're going to add a little bit at a time. Not everyone likes that strong vinegar flavored in their chicken foot sauce. So be mindful and use a little bit at a time. You can always add some more if you need to. Now I'm going to go in with my lemon juice, and I'm going to do the same for my lemon juice. Add a little bit at a time, and if I need some more, I can always go back and add some more. Now go ahead and give that a stir while it is still warm. You want the salt to be melted and the vinegar and lemon juice to be, evenly distributed. Now you're going to give that a taste and make sure that the salt is enough for you, the vinegar and the lime juice. If not, you can make any adjustments that you need to. If everything is all set, then you're going to go ahead and add in your onions and all the other veggies you have on the side. Now you're going to go ahead and mix all the ingredients together. Allow all the veggies to be evenly distributed, and a little must be submerged under the liquid. Now once everything is nicely distributed, you're just going to cover this and allow it to sit for about 4 to 5 hours. After about 4 to 5 hours, you will be ready to serve. Now after about 4 to 5 hours, this is how the sauce is looking. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I do hope you enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoy making it for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed for more delicious recipe. As usual, I want to say thank you for watching. Goodbye, and I will see you in my next video.